Maximizing English Learning, Reddit for Collocation Discussions. Hello fellow language learners. In today's video, we're going to delve into an incredibly useful and often overlooked tool for advancing your English vocabulary, online communities, specifically Reddit. We'll learn how to use Reddit to enhance our understanding and usage of collocations. So, if you're ready to take your English to the next level, let's jump right in. Collocations are combinations of words that frequently go together, forming a natural phrase in English. Examples include phrases like, take a shower, or, do your homework. Understanding collocations is crucial for sounding more fluent and natural in English. The real challenge is identifying and learning these collocations, and that's where Reddit comes in. Reddit is an online platform where users can join communities called subreddits, based on their interests. These subreddits consist of threads where users discuss, share ideas, and ask questions about specific topics. For English language learners, there are numerous subreddits available that focus on various aspects of language learning. Reddit can be a powerful tool for learning and discussing collocations. Subreddits like r/English Learning, r/Learn English, and r/ESL are great places to start. You can use these communities to 1. Ask for help. Post a question if you're unsure about a collocation. The community members are usually very helpful and quick to respond. 2. Discussion threads. Participate in ongoing discussions. You'll often find threads where users share common or tricky collocations. 3. Practice and feedback. Use collocations in your posts and comments. Other users can correct you and give feedback, helping you improve over time. 4. Learn from others. Simply reading through posts and comments can expose you to many new collocations. While Reddit can be a great resource, it's important to follow the community guidelines and Etiquette. Always search the subreddit before posting a question to see if it's been asked before. Be respectful and patient with other users. And don't forget to upvote helpful comments and posts. Reddit provides a unique and interactive way to learn and practice English collocations. By actively participating in the community and following the Reddit etiquette, you can significantly improve your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. We hope this video has been helpful and encourages you to explore the wonderful world of collocations on Reddit. See you in the next video, and until then, keep practicing.